Congratulations! You just got the results back from your employee engagement survey and you're super excited to make changes in your organization. But you might end up with a case of the post-engagement survey blues. I'm Greg Schinkel from Unique Training and Development, and in this Leader Feeder, I want to look at how you can make sure that the promises that you make to your team are things you can actually follow through, and perhaps most importantly, how do we actually make improvements to the culture over time? When you ask employees for their feedback, you're creating a set of expectations that things are going to change. And HR and management sometimes can end up overpromising and under-delivering, only to look back 6 months from now and say, wow, we really didn't accomplish a lot since we got those survey results. So I wanted to comment on the two main ways that you can create traction from your employee engagement survey. The first lever you can pull is the leadership skills of your team. It has the most immediate effect because if you can change the behaviors of your supervisors, that influences the largest number of employees in your organization. So by improving their communication skills, their motivation skills, and the way that they interact with their teams, you're going to see an immediate improvement in employee engagement. The second lever is the HR policies. Now these are all of the things that you use to manage the organization, from who you hire to who you decide to promote to how you reward people and the performance expectations and management process that you use. So the reason that those can be important is because I can remember one location where throughout the organization they had punitive signs that basically threatened your employment if you broke the rules. We can imagine the kind of culture that that creates. So HR policies can also shift the feel that the organization has in the eyes of the employees. So whether it's developing your frontline leaders by improving their leadership skills or pulling on the lever of HR policies, we can be a resource to you. And that is through our Frontline Leadership Program, or sometimes it's by having some discussions with you about other initiatives that can improve engagement and company culture. So if those things are of interest to you, I encourage you to reach out to me personally at gschinkel@uniquedevelopment.com or give us a call at 1-866-700-9043. Whether you end up bringing us in to do frontline leadership training with your team on site, or you send a few people to our public workshops, or you simply use some of our resources, we look forward to partnering with you to improve your culture. And remember, on social media, you can connect with us on LinkedIn, on Twitter, and on Facebook. Be sure to search us out at Frontline Leader.